Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and today I have for you a Born Pretty store review of these items that you're looking at right here. As always, I will have the links down in the description bar below, as well as my code IDUK31, which will give you a 10% discount. Now let me start out by showing you this beautiful metallic stamping polish. This is a stamping polish, and look at the colors. So this is from the Queen series, and the name of this one is Miss Pink, but it's a pretty lilac, a very metallic-y, almost, oh, look at that, that's so pretty. It's beautiful. So yes, stamping polish. So I'll be able to do all of these with one video. And then these set of stampers, so these come, I wasn't sure at first, but yeah, these come together as a set. Check them out. This is the holographic clear stamper, and then just the standard clear stamper. And these are, well, they feel very soft, but they're not a marshmallow. I wouldn't say they're as soft as a marshmallow. They're kind of like in between a marshmallow and a medium, but they are quite sticky. Now, when I first saw this holographic stamper, from looking at it from pictures, and you can even see here now from me looking on the viewfinder of the camera, it looks so busy. I didn't think that you were going to be able to see through it, but you can. You really can. When I used it, and you can see really well. Now in here, so it has the metal. I like that it has the hollow back, so that's hollow. I will have to say, be careful with this border, guys. It is sharp coming if you put your finger in there for maybe, you know, doing this kind of thing or holding it. It's sharp if you brush your skin against it coming out, but it's not sharp going in, but it is if you, yeah, so just be careful with that. And here it has the Born Pretty store logo, but check out the chrome look on these holders. Very sleek, very cool. I do love that. They're beautiful. Now let me show you right here, so you can take this out. Oh, I was waiting to have a replacement of this type of stamper because I want to try this and see if by any chance I can put this clear one in my shrinking tool and see, because the one that I have shaped like this that I think will work for shrinking, it has a split from my pointy nails, and obviously when you squeeze it, it makes that split, it opens it up, and it's not good for picking up images. But so I can't wait to try. And so yes, I have put these to work already, and I know they work really well, but I will show you. We'll do some swatches so you guys can see how this works, because I'm going to test it out with this stamping plate here. This one is the artist plate L004. It comes in this classy sleeve, and check out the images, guys. So yeah, this very minimalistic type of images right there. Cover on the back, just the plastic, no logo. But there it is. This one, you see, there is Born Pretty artist L004. So I will go ahead and we will go ahead and test this out, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here is a close-up of the swatch images that I did, and you can see how well the polish stamps between the white and the black. Obviously I used the images that were more bold over the black, and I think that's ideal, but even look, the fine images or the fine lines over white, that looks really well. I did do a sample of over black with the fine line image, and look how well that looks. And yes, of course, it's a thing, it's playing with the lighting, because if you can change this and the angle on this, it's change the angle on how the lighting hits that polish, and you might not be able to see it as well, but it has very good shimmer. There's no texture to it, but I don't know, there's something about it, really, it makes a very good impression over black or dark colors as well. And here are these fine line ones, another a bold one over white. And then here's another test with this. Let me hold this up like this. I wanted to use the matte because I wanted to use black and white. Look how pretty that is, so delicate. And look at this one. This is one of, there's a couple of images here that have that optical illusion depending on how you look at them. Which one, what do you see, a man or a woman, or, you know. Yeah, but check it out. So very cool. I'm very pleased with the stamping polish. I really like it. I love the stampers as well. I was surprised how well they work. Again, seeing through this holographic, it looks so busy, but you can really see right through it. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with the design that I'm going to do on my nails, and I hope you guys enjoy that as well. Here's the final result, guys. What do you guys think? I like the abstract of it. Again, I was playing around with the black and white, and with the, depending on the how the light hits it and the angle, you can see that image, those images over the black really well. I know it's hard to see that rose over my pinky, but in person I can definitely see it. So that is the end of my review. If you guys have any questions about any of these items, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I will have the links down in the description bar below, and you may use my code IDUK31 for a 10% discount. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful items to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.